God, it doesn't end. I'm gonna check to see if something's loose. So quick little rundown on what happened. Been driving the car, trying to fix issues. I was having surging in my fuel whenever I would go over like 16 pounds. And I thought it was the injectors for a while. And I ended up finding out my alternator's bad. So you can see the easiest way to get to it is through the bottom. Isn't that hard? I already removed one of the bolts from the top. And then you gotta remove that bolt right there. Oh, I got the alternator out. And what do you know? Focus. It's got a crack. So, let's see if I can get another one. I'm tired of burning your alternator. You got a little heat wrap. It's like a little blanket. Strap it to the header. And you're good. Alright, so the alternator's back on. You can see it. There it is. I'll fire it up and hopefully it fixed the issue. Alright, so I'm gonna crank it up real quick. See if it fixed the issue. There's that pain in the ass to turn this car on though. Put it down real quick. Back. Now all I gotta do is wait for the injectors to come in and see how it does.
Ayy, bitch, I'm still in the streets with it. Ayy, can't fuck with me, I ain't beefing with them. Ayy, better talk money if you're speaking to me. Now I'm up, but I ain't geeking with them.